Hello to HardReset.Info. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable Game Turbo on Redmi 13. In order to get to Game Turbo settings, you want to go either through Security. Here, go to Common Features. If you don't see Game Turbo here, tap on the Edit button and just make sure it's added. Then confirm. You can go into settings through here. Another option is through settings. In here, scroll down to additional settings and then look for Game Turbo. Game Turbo will normally be in landscape mode. Now you can tap on the settings button right here and make sure it's enabled. Then you can turn it on for different games by scrolling down to add game. On the left you have the games where it's added, on the right where it isn't. You can turn it off for any game you don't want it to be in, and then turn it on for anything you want it to be enabled for. And simply back off. You can also just look for different performance options. For example, performance mode. You can just look through the settings to see what you want to enable. And then you can simply exit it or choose a game you want to play and tap on Start Playing. Of course, then once you're here, you can enter the Game Turbo settings by swiping through the little tab that shows up. So as you can see, there are ads. So Game Turbo shows up right here. You can tap on Boost to increase the performance. You can change from gaming mode to performance or balanced, as you can see right here. You can change performance settings to change it to either picture priority, frame rate priority, or custom, where you can look through the settings again. Just adjust it to your needs. You can also clear memory, which might help out with performance too. And with Game Turbo, of course, to exit you have to tap the home button twice, or if you have gestures then swipe twice. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.